night down here. They got Main Street blocked off. It's a nice car show. Nice little Super Sport there logo on it. I have to snag me one of them up. Normal 5.3. Oh, that's 5.3 long block right there. .3 long block. I just picked me up some patches. Dr. Pepper and Pepsi patch. Yeah, they don't have anything very good here. Look at that SVT Lightning. This is one of them Ford Lightning trucks. Ford Lightning, huh? I think they're selling that for about $28,000. Here's a black, this is the next kind of truck I want to try to get right here. This GMC. So I think it's a GMC. It's pretty sweet. Look at the interior in that, boy. Got some more of them all the way around here. So my car is on the next block over. And what? Look at that SF. That's an SF Chevelle. Nice little blue on it. I'm a Dr. Pepper guy.